Good afternoon, Groomy. We got a little mail call. Heck yeah, no plant show today. I try to get this mail call out there. Cha-ching! Miss Mary hooked me up. Grow and Grind 216. If you're not already subscribed to her, go jump on the bus, Gus. She is a fantastic, lovely lady. Fantastic grower. Awesome community supporter. She's just, I can't say enough about Miss Mary. I've been following Mary for a long, long time. Heck yeah, thank you, Miss Mary. You're definitely going up in my I wish you would have sent 3. I got 3 tents, I would have slapped you up in all of them. But you definitely going up in my pride and joy 3x3. Yeah, check her out, she hooked me up. I've been looking. I'll show her last. She sent me another one of calves. Now I got 3 of calves. Calves sent me 2. When he sent me some peyote forms to play around with. Thank you very much, Cav. I got 3. Hey, Cav, you're sexy enough. I can hang you in all 3 of my tents, brother. But here we go for the main prize. I've been waiting for this chick for a long time. Cha-ching! Oh, Miss Lola. Oh, my God. Red, she's so sexy. Oh, God. Redheads are like kryptonite to Superman. Oh. I've divorced 2 of them damn things. Third one wanted to marry me. I got rid of her. I was afraid I was going to strike out. Oh, she's going up into 3x3 for sure. Hell yeah, thank you, Mary. You are so awesome, my dear. Like I said, I can't say enough about Miss Mary. Again, if you are not subscribed to Mary, Grow and Grind 216, you need to get off your handy and jump on her bus. Thank you very much, Mary. Thank you very much. You just don't know how much I appreciate that. When I get finished up this run, these breeding runs here, oh, I'm definitely going to get cheesy with you, Miss Mary. You don't even have to worry about no giveaway. I'm going to get cheesy. Yes, indeed. But yeah, man, we're getting close to my 2,000 subscribers. But it don't matter. It don't matter. When these seeds are done, when both of these breeding runs are done, I'm having my 3rd turkey shoot giveaway. I love doing the turkey shoot. Once a year, I get a chance to put some lead in your hiney. Hey, I'm going to shoot you. And I shoot a lot. I keep running down and looking at that card. I like to get right many winners, at least 10. I'll keep shooting that card until I get what I want. And the usually ones have been more than 10. I'm going to put it this way. I'm going to keep shooting until my wallet threatens to divorce me. We got some great prizes that are also going to go out besides beans. I always send a lot. I'd be ashamed of myself if I sent out less than 10 beans. You'll have choice of photo periods with cheese here. And almost any one of my autoflower strains, we're gonna have a seed increase on the Dream Rider, and we're gonna have a cross from the Dream Rider and Weed Seeds Express Strawberry Banana, and I'm gonna call that cross Fruit Cocktail. Yeah, we got a Dano Plus par meter. We got a nice Luca Swordfish, wax and live rosin vape. It is great. I have one, and I've had it over a year, and I still have the same coil. It's easy. The coil is easy to burn off and clean. Whoever wins that is going to be a happy camper. And we got an AC Infinity pH meter. That thing is great. Great. I mean, I've been through 2 Blue Lab pH pens, and I decided to give AC Infinity a try, and I love this pen. And you can buy, for $30, you can buy the replacement head. The winner will not be getting this. Buy your own. But yeah, I mean, most pH pens are gonna crap out on you within a year. You know, somewhere around a year. Your mileage may vary, but when it does crap out, you ain't stuck. Cause if you're smart, you already got a new head waiting. Oh, where am I at now? I've been rambling so much. Yep, no plants. I ain't showing no plants. And I think this concludes my mail call. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the turkey shoot giveaway. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you muchly. Old Fat Buzz is out of here. Peace.